How to sign in or sign up on Riot Games. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up or sign in on Riot Games. Well, first things first, what you can do is you can simply head into your browser and head into riotgames.com. Here you want to tap on the hamburger icon that you can see at the right hand side and then tap on sign in option. Once on sign in page here, what you can do is you can easily use your Facebook, Google, Apple, Xbox or PlayStation account to sign up. Right? If you already have an account, you can log into it easily using these as well. Now down below you can see create account option, so you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to enter in your email. Now as I said before, you can use any of these, your Facebook account, Google account or any, and link it in easily and log in, or you can enter in your email address here and go ahead through the prompts here that will ask you to go through, and you'll be easily able to sign into Riot Games or sign up for Riot Games. However, if you want to do it easily, you can choose your Facebook, Google or any other account available there, and you can link it and sign up. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.